Magic!
Hey, did you know that arigato means thank you in Japanese? Yeah, it's like a magical word that brings miracles. That's awesome! Let's learn the magic arigato phrase today. Are you ready? Let's begin! 果物ありがとう Thank you, fruits. 果物ありがとう Look at all these fruits. Don't they look yummy? What's your favorite fruit? Fruits are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrition to keep your body healthy. In Japanese, fruits are called 果物 Naomi loves 果物 She's going to make ice lollies using fruits. What is she peeling?
キウイ、イチゴ。
To make ice lollies, she's using kiwi fruits, kiwi, strawberries, ichigo, and orange juice. How do you say orange juice in Japanese? That's easy. Orange juice, orange juice.
ドロドロうわ、ジュースがいっぱいだよ。入れます。バイバイ。キウイをこしています。よし、これぐらいかな。
She poured strawberry juice into molds. After freezing them for an hour, she added orange juice. Now, she's pouring kiwi juice.
オッケー。上手にできました。綺麗でしょ？アイスできた！
Thanks to fruits, she can enjoy a delicious and healthy ice lolly.
おいしい。果物ありがとう。
果物ありがとう Thank you, fruits. 果物ありがとう
ありがとうマジック。